I am courageous and ready to conquer. My identity
was restored. I have a hope
that my family will be restored. I am not afraid
to go to my next level. I am ready to lead people.
I can handle
and solve problems. I have a vision
for the salvation of every family. I know that God
loves me unconditionally. My life is a channel of blessing.
I have been set free. I am redeemed.
I am restored.
I am renewed.
We receive
fire, freedom, focus. I am called to love God and people. I am called to win people.
I am called to be a leader.
And it's all because
we encountered God.